ukuri ntabwo kukigenderwaho. Ni nacyo gituma ariko reka mvugane, hari umuntu w'inshuti yanjye wigeze kumbaza atari ko wowe nk'umuntu ubaho ute ugahuza bimwe, ndaza kubivuga mu rurimi rw'amahanga, arambaza tubaho ute ugahuza the dark past and the cruel present. But how do you manage that? Ariko uko nabyumvaga ntabwo ari igihe yabazaga gusa, yabazaga u Rwanda. Bavuga ngo u Rwanda mubaho muti, with a very dark past and a very cruel present. Icyo namushubije nuko from the beginning we were under an illusion that the two were siblings and we had to deal with them as such. You have to deal with the cruel present, knowing that it is very, very much related to the dark past. They are inseparable. So for us, we have a choice to make. You are either crushed in between and you stop existing,